think as I'm walking out, I'm gonna walk up this line of Oliver's, see what they have. It's here. Guys collecting Oliver tractors. He's got a nice setup. This right here is so rare. It's so rare. How will I show you? Dual engines. Oliver 880. Dual engines. Look at that. Yes, sir. You don't see that every day. Here's some others. I want to go on this other side here. Well, this guy does a nice job. Nice paint job on these Olivers here. Look at the shine on that. Yeah, he takes good care of these. I don't see one like mine. Guy had to pull start it right there.
Farmall pull starting a John Deere.
There's a pull starting it. Farmall pull starting a John Deere. Dang, this guy's got a whole fleet of Olivers. Yeah, one time old Oliver was a mainstay in the tractor business, and they got mismanaged. That's what happens. Still got Olivers up here. 1650, 1950 turbo. That's a big rig there. I see some more down here. $16.55. Yeah, a couple of Olivers over there. It does feel like it's going to rain here in a little bit. Tractors, tractors, and more tractors. Gotta find out more about this operation. I think you can bring your tractor here and they list it for sale. I'm looking over here. Just curious. Lawn and garden display. I think this right here is like yours, love. This one here. Some cadet? I don't know.
I think it's cool as shit.
I wonder if we can get that one of yours running.
It's a Jim Dandy.
Look at them all. I've seen this one riding around, taking people. That one don't have to worry about tires going flat. Control Sears. I think that's a David Bradley. I think I saw one of those on the internet. There's a rig for sale. Look at here. $3,000 is what they're looking for. Cranker. And I got tractors all over here. Wonder what they're asking for this Alice. Alice Chalmers over here. WD-45. 1800 is what they're wanting. Gave it the old Earl Scheib job. A lot of Masseys here. I guess they're going to I think next year the Focus, the feature tractor is the Massey Ferguson. Most all these craft flea market vendors covered over. More tractors. More tractors. More tractors. Belts there. Need a leather belt. Here's where you go. Woo! We got some wind coming up now. Sure does feel like storms are brewing. We got some DeWalt tools, we got some Milwaukee tools. What you need, we got it here. Some licorice. Bag of licorice. Now these vendors out here, I hope they batten the hatches down. I think they're going to get hit. And we're walking out. So we'll see you tomorrow.